Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to see how to get multi-snap option back on Snapchat. Currently, Snapchat has removed that multi-snap option in the Snapchat. So to get that back, just keep watching our video. So head over to your Bitmoji on the upper left corner. Then go to your settings and tap on the upper right corner to go to settings. Then scroll down until you see an option called My Data. Click on it. Once you are in the option of My Data, here you have to scroll down, and now here all you have to do is clear your cache memory or chat history and support history, everything, and clear your data from your phone. Then once you have cleared your cache memory, then you can clear your cache memory in here also, in the clear cache option. After that is cleared, all you have to do is log out of your account and head over to your all files or files manager. Then you have to uninstall the Snapchat, and then you have to just reinstall your Snapchat again, and then your multi-snap option will be available back again. If that is all not available then head over to the settings option again. Then go to safety center and ask for your multi-snap option to get back on Snapchat again. Hoping for the reply within 48 hours. So once you get that, I hope you will get your multi-snap option back on Snapchat. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next video.